come to Karnataka.
And to India. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅವನಿ ಭಟ್ಕಾಕೆ ಕೊಚ್ಚಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ 2024. But apart from that, I'm also a classical dancer and I promote the 64 Shastras in our mythology and our Shastras. In that, makeup, hair and styling is one of the Shastras that's there in our country. And this place, Orin International, is promoting exactly that, to upskill people and to learn knowledge. And such a center should be more and more in India, and upskilling people is something, an entrepreneurship development program should happen in our country, and Orin International is doing that, and I'm extremely grateful to be a part of this event, and I will promote it with all of my heart.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊರೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ 200 ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಫಿಲಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 100% ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Myself, Pranjal Kumar, the center head of this branch.
Myself, Sanjeev Sinha, director of Oran International. First of all, I'm thankful for Miss Universe Karnataka. She's walked in to just associate with us. And also, as he's mentioned about the entrepreneurship, in Karnataka, I am giving basically a theme about the world of women, the theme which is called empowerment to the woman. So that is what which I'm coming, the theme with a wow. Every mother which is sitting at home, those who are graduated, they have become a food generator. I want to bring them to get associated with Oran as a revenue generator and servicing to the society. And that's the reason this Oran International, this center is calling as a parachute lifting others. Thank you so much. The Bangalore from last 50 years, which is Amit Kumar and Sanjeev Kumar. We are honored to bring it this kind of venture, giving to the society that learn and then earn. And that is what the theme all about is Oran International. This is the 120th center in Karnataka and third center in Bangalore city. We have been named by Mr. Dinesh Shud, the CEO of Oran International, one of the pilot center in Karnataka, and the best practices are getting followed here. So thank you so much once again.